Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about some basic for loop, while loop and some basic if-else condition. So let's get started. Let's suppose I have a variable called x which is 15, and let's suppose you want to check whether this value is greater or less than something. Let's suppose I'm using a if condition and x is less than 10. If it's less than 10, then console log x is less than 10, which is not true in this case, and I'm using a if else condition, which means if condition fails, then it will run. So in this case, else statement will run. So x is greater than 10. Let's see what we get here. So we are getting here x is greater than 10, which is correct. Let's suppose I'm changing the value of x to, let's suppose, 5. Let's see what we get here. Now we are getting x is less than 10, which means we are getting this one. So there is only two conditions here, that is, if it is less than 10, then run this, or else it is run this. Or you can do something like that. Let's suppose else if x is greater than 15, and there is something called or operator, which is this pipe symbol, and you can also use and symbol. This is and, which is 7 key in here. So this is and operator, which means and is something like, let's suppose I'm using a which is less than 10 and greater than 15. So what AND operator does, AND operator satisfied both of this condition. If both condition is true, then only this block of code will run. And OR means this one of them, the one of the condition is true, then the block of this code will run. So let's suppose I'm using something like, let's suppose it is less than 10 and it is x is greater than 10, x is greater than 10, and x is uh, less than 15. So in this case, let's suppose I'm writing at x is less than 15 and greater than 10. So I'm also doing this one, else console log, I'm writing here is default. Okay, so if the the value of x is 12, let's see what we get here. So we are getting x is less than 15 and greater than 10, which is this block of code is running right now. So this is all about condition, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.